Harin lasngi bat armiet bau ba adan ula syong syatkan nakmat jongka sekretariat berkumjuru ajan jongka additional sekretariat menta kemiet kanong aktian jongka sorkar MDA ke baar ke Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh kal kerpat yau ba adan banwan sekami jongka ïakren. Haba keren sikela patai kubor lang baka video ke Dr. Ampareen kalaong bakal kerpat yau ba adan banwan sekani ke ïakren kanang baka sorkar kan yau sngothu kai baka seng VPP ke kwa banyak tai banyak flu jenggot halor kini ki jengkwa jongka seng. Daka kerpat ru mau badan sengek no ia kani kejing chat kan ke jong
So at this point of time, I just request the Honorable Legislator Ardent, representing the Voice of the People Party, please come to the negotiation table. Let us discuss this matter. Bring me what you want us to get done. I cannot promise Bapa Sayomoy that yes, whatever he says will get done, because I first have to understand what he wants. And I feel that if he stops this strike, this hunger strike, I think it will be good for everyone, and we can also therefore get together and discuss this matter and see how best we can get beyond this without harming any one of the communities, because we are Meghalaya. There are three communities in this state. We would like to safeguard everybody's interests. Please, Ba'adin, come to the table. Let's talk.